how to save iPhone photo as PDF. Open your photo gallery. For example, this photo. Press on select those photo, or press on this share icon. Now scroll down, then you can see the print option. Press on print. Now here you can see the share icon again. Press on, then it will be create PDF document. You can see it's save as PDF. Now press on a save file. Now where you want to save it, go back, and save it to my phone and in test folder. Then press on save. Now go back to your file. Now go back, and if I open my test file, then you can see it's save as PDF. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.